A shopkeeper gains 20% while buying the goods. While buying the goods, shopkeeper gains 20% and 30% while selling them. The same goods is selling at a profit of 30%. Find his total gain percent. Assume that the shopkeeper has some amount 100x. He has 100x amount. Now he went to a shop and he bought an items. He has to get 100x item actually, but what happened? While buying he gained 20% profit, so he will get 20% that is profit, that is equal to 20x. So 120x. What happened here? A shopkeeper paid 100x rupees and he took an item that worth 120x rupees. Okay, now he sells these items at a profit of 30%. So that is nothing but 30% is profit. So what is 30% of 120x? 36x. If you add that, you will get 156x. In the whole transaction, the shopkeeper invested 100x and he received a total of 156x. What is the profit he got? Profit equivalent to 56x. Profit percentage equivalent to 56x by his cost price, his investment is 100x into 100, that equal to 56%. So this is one method of doing. If you apply the concept, whenever there are two successive percentage changes, whenever there is a two successive percentage changes, first change is x percentage, the second change is y percentage, the overall change, it means the overall percentage change will be x plus y plus xy by 100. You can apply this logic directly because here is a same items, there are two percentage increments, 20% followed by 30%. So 20 plus 30 plus 20 into 30 by 100, which is equals to 56%. You can do either of the method. So the answer is option 3. A shopkeeper gains 10% while buying the goods and 20% while selling them. Find his total percentage gain. Here simply you can do that. There are two successive percentage changes, 10% followed by 20%. So the overall percentage change will be 10 plus 20 plus 10 into 20 by 100, which is equivalent to 32%. So the answer is option 1. Now, by selling an article for 240 rupees, a man incurs a loss of 10%. At what price should he sell it so that he makes a profit of 20%? Let the cost price be 100x. What is the loss he got? 10%, which is nothing but 10x. So selling price is nothing but cost price minus loss, that equal to 90x. According to the question, what is given? 90x is equals to 240. Now, if he wants to get a profit of 20%, at what price he has to sell? So what is 20% of 100x? 20x. He has to get 20x more. So new selling price must be equivalent to 120x. We have to find the value of 120x. Given 90x is equal to 240, implies x is equals to 240 by 90. So 120x is equals, because you have to find the 120x. 120x is equivalent to 240 by 90 into 120. On simplification, you will get 320. So the answer is option 4. Now, by selling an article for 480 rupees, a person lost 20%. For what should he sell it to make a profit of 20%? Again, assume the cost price as 100x. What is the loss he got? 20%, which is nothing but 20x. Selling price, original selling price is equal to how much? 80x. Cost price minus loss. According to the question, what is the amount given? 480. So 80x is equal to 480. Now he wants to get a profit of 20%. So to get a 20% as profit, he has to sell the good for 120x. which is equivalent to 480 by 80 into 120, which is equal to 720. The answer is option 3. Saurav purchased 30 kg of rice at a rate of 10 rupees per kg and 35 kg at the rate of 11 rupees per kg. He mixed the two. At what price per kg should he sell the mixture to make a 30% profit in the transaction? So he has to get a overall profit as 30%. Simple. The selling price must be equivalent to cost price into 1 plus profit percentage by 100. This is what we have to find. Okay, we have to find the cost price and he gave the profit. If you know the cost price, you can find the selling price. Okay, how to find the cost price? He bought 30 kgs at 10 rupees per kg. So 30 kg into 10 rupees per kg. So total cost is 300 for first 30 kgs. And second variety 35 kgs he bought at a rate of 11 rupees per kg into 11 rupees, which is equals to 385. It means total how many kgs? Total 65 kg. Okay, equivalent to, this is total cost. What is the total cost? 685 rupees. So 1 kg cost how much? 685 by 65. This is the cost price. What is required? Selling price. So selling price equivalent to cost price 685 by 65 into 1 plus 30 by 100, that is nothing but 130 by 100. On simplification, 65 ones, 65 twos, 2 into 685 is nothing but 1370 divided by 100, that is nothing but 13.7 per kg. He has to sell it for 13.7 in order to get a profit of 30%. Mr. Y purchased a flat for 9.25 lakhs and spent 35,000 for its renovation. If he sold the flat for 10.8 lakhs, then his profit percentage is. What is his total investment? Y's investment or purchasing and amount spent for renovation is total equivalent to 9.25 lakhs plus 0.35 lakh, which is equals to 9.6 lakhs. This is, we can say, a cost price. And at what price he has sold the house? 10.8 lakhs. So what is the total profit in the whole transaction? What is the total profit in the whole transaction? Selling price minus cost. Here cost is included purchase price as well as renovation price. That equals to 1.2 lakhs. Selling price is 10.8. Total cost is 9.6. 10.8 minus 9.6, which is equals to 1.2 lakhs. Profit percentage, which is equals to profit by cost price into 100. That equals to 1.2 lakhs by 9.6 into 100, which is equals to 12.5%. So the answer is option 4. A got 30% concession on the label price of an article sold for 8750 with 25% profit on the price he bought. The label price was, we don't know the label price. Let the label price be 100x. Now he got a 30% concession. A got 30% concession. So how much he paid? 70x. After getting 30% concession, he paid 70x. Now he sold it at a profit of 25%. So this he sold at 25%. That is nothing but 125 by 100. 1 plus 25 by 100, which is nothing but 125 by 100. What is the amount he got? Total 8750. 7 tens and 0 will get cancels. 7 ones, 7 125s, 125 and 125 will get cancels, implies x is equivalent to 100. What is the question is asking? A label price. Label price is equal to 100x. So 100x is equivalent to 100 into 100, that equals to 10,000 rupees. So option 4 is an answer. A shopkeeper allows a rebate of 12% on the market price of an article such that the selling price is 440, then the market price is. Assume the market price as 100x. 100x. What is the rebate is given? 12%. So 12% of 100x is nothing but 12x. If you deduct this rebate on the market price, you will get selling price. So 100x minus 12x, which is equals to 88x. This is the selling price. But according to the question, what is the selling price is given? The selling price is 440. So 88x is equal to 440. On simplification, you get x is equal to 5. The question here is, what is the market price? Market price is equal to 100x, that equal to 100 into 5, which is 500. So the answer is option